Hello everybody, I would like to show you to present you my new project I'm working with. It's an Android app for DJs, so you can plug your smartphone to any MIDI device. In my case it's a Numark NDX900 with the possibilities of MIDI. And so the features that it has loading our usual file. So here we can add your MIDI, also play, stop, and other. And after that you can add some samples, and it should work like this. It's not finished yet, but it's working now. Here we push. Here it goes. We can change time. Push on this button. It's remaining time. And here's the sample. Let's check it out. Yeah, it works. So actually it's just the beginning. If you like my project, push like button and you can share it. And you can comment what kind of features you would like to add to this program. Thanks for watching.